welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do an unboxing of my 3 subscription services. They all arrived at the same time. I've done a video like this before and it's just a little bit easier to get it all out of the way. So we have a Boxycharm and SolTheory and what is probably my favorite of them all. Sorry, SolTheory, but I'm so excited. Anyway, if you want to see what I got in all my boxes this month, then just keep watching. Okay, so first and foremost, I want to start out with SolTheory. So for those of you who do not know, I am an influencer for SolTheory, and this part, just this part, let's try that again. Just this part of this video is in partnership with SolTheory. SolTheory is a monthly subscription service ranging anywhere between $12, well $12.99 and $19.99 in price depending upon the kind of box that you get. You can get a single pair of sunglasses for him or for her. You can get a pair of sunglasses and a beauty box, a pair of sunglasses and an accessory, or what they have now is a beauty only box. So this is the second month that they have done this, and I have that box right now in front of me today, and we're gonna see. Also, don't forget, I will leave a link down below if you want to get to your own SolTheory box. Use the code EM20, so M20, for 20% off your first purchase. Okay, let's jump in, get into this box. Yeah. Also, really quickly, I want to say with this beauty box, it is $16.99. Use that code, get yourself 20% off. And then you are guaranteed to get a minimum of $75 worth of full-size products. So here is the box. It's kind of fun with this like confetti that they put in there, the little wormies. They did color worms. Okay. So funny we have this because I actually already have this product. So this is from Beauty Cocoa for teeth whitening. So this is that black charcoal teeth whitener that you see. You brush it on your teeth. It's got coconut, it's got charcoal, it's got all sorts of stuff in it, and it helps whiten your teeth. I did get this in a, pretty sure it's this exact brand too. I did get this in a FabFitFun a while back, and I do use it, and I do really like it, although it freaks David out because I have like just black all over my teeth, and he's like, what are you doing? And then, oh, it does. It comes with a toothbrush. Let's see if it's the same color. Mine's like a turquoisey teal. Oh, no, it's a wooden one. Oh. This does say it is a charcoal infused bristle, which, ooh, as it pops out. My other one is as well, so that's pretty cool. So now you can have a wider, brighter smile. A Bella Paris Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. It looks like it's the 12 eyeshadow palette Go Natural. Guessing is what it's cool. Okay, so here's the packaging. It says made with 100% pure minerals. And there's like a little sticker. So I'm gonna cut that out. Ooh, and it comes with a mirror and a little brush. The brush I'm not super fond of because it's got one of those like sponge ones that I hate, but then it's got this other little like brush side. And then there's this, and then you have your mirror down here. Very reminiscent of the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. It's definitely got those rose gold tones to it. So it looks pretty. Yeah, it looks very much like that Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. A nail file, and it looks like a good one. Bella Paris Precious Diamonds nail file. And then here is a 4-sided buffer as well, also from Bella Paris Cosmetics. I love a good nail file and a good buffer. This one looks like it's really nice. Like I said, it's got those 4 sides on it, which is awesome. And then there is Bella Paris Precious Diamonds Hand and Body Lotion infused with natural botanical extracts and essential oils. Oh, it smells pretty good. Okay, nice. And then last, but certainly not least, we have the Bella Paris Precious Diamonds Cuticle Treatment with sweet almond oil and aloe vera and avocado oil. This looks like it is going to be nice. This is what this looks like. All right, I'm pretty excited. I like this month's box. Look at that dropper, really nice. I like this month's box. I think it's really good. So we got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products for the grand total price of $16.99. Sorry if I'm speeding through this, but I've got 3 boxes to go through. I'm gonna try to cut this down. So on to our next box, a Boxycharm. Okay, so here's the box right here. So here it is. Okay, so the first thing I see is the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. This is a newer mascara from them. A $20 value. And when you open it up, there's this little thing here that says Double Drama. Ooh. It says get 200% thicker lashes. Volumizing formula for sure, and a volumizing type wand. Get 200% thicker lashes in just 1 coat and 314% increase in lash curl. The interlocking nylon fiber brush grasps each individual lash to lengthen, curl, and multiply lashes from root to tip. The brand Pretty Vulgar. We have gotten something from Pretty Vulgar in the past. It was a lip gloss, like a metallic lip gloss. This is a blush called, it's the Make Them Blush in number 111 Prim Vixen. And this is a very bright pink. I'm sure when you put it on, it's probably not as quite intense. The packaging also is like adorable. I saw this brand on Sephora when it first came out, and I like, this is a value of $26. It says awaken your complexion of bright and natural glowy flush to your cheeks. Okay, the next thing we have is from South Main. It is 3 gel eye packs. Reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes the eye area. So this is awesome. Retail for $10. Says our under eye gels are great for an easy mask without the cleanup. They soften and moisturize to ensure you look rested and refreshed. I do a lot with Pure. And I will say, Pure for me is a hit and a miss. Sometimes it's great, and sometimes I'm like, not the best. Okay, the packaging is really cute. It's white, and you can't really see it, but it's embossed with little tiny hearts all over. Ooh, it's got a nice big mirror. Props on that. And then here are all of the colors. So nice, bright, you know, spring, summer kind of colors. This like teal color has been popping up all over the place. The new Natasha Denona palette has it. This palette has it. There's been a few other ones. I mean, it must be the hot new color. So anyway, it looks really pretty. Like I said, it's got a nice big mirror, which I love. So let's read a little bit about this, because this is an actual collaboration with Boxycharm and Pure. So this retails for $36. This transitional palette can be used now or later to bring vibrancy back into your look. Our signature silky smooth ultra mattes are paired with pretty pinks and a vibrant blue to lighten the mood. Plus you can layer a shimmer shade for duochrome finishes. So that is pretty cool. But not least, we have from the Vintage Cosmetics Company. I love the Vintage Cosmetics Company. I think they have the cutest stuff. And yeah, I mean, I love it. So here's the package. It is a set of brushes, which I didn't know they made brushes, to be completely honest. This is the Smoky Eye Makeup Brush Kit, and it retails for $23.15. That's funny. I really like these brushes. Oh, it's really cute. They even have the steps on them for the brush. So it says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, and step 3, go girl, go. That's really cute. So there's that, and then here's the actual brushes themselves. The grand total for the Boxycharm box came to $115.15. You can get Boxycharm for $21. Oh, there's even a little coupon in here for Butter London. So yeah, so for $21, $115 worth of product in this box for this month. Okay, here is the box. Here it is. First thing we have, I've already used this product before. It's from Murad. It is the Skin Perfecting Lotion. So it's a lightweight oil-free moisturizer, provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin with honey extract, natural humectant, Queen of Meadow refined skin texture, while Arcania smooth skin for a smoother, healthier looking complexion. So I have used this before. This does retail for $40. Oh, also the cost of the box is $49. Pretty sure it's $49. So yeah, they always have some kind of a coupon going around for $10 off. I will try to find a code and link it down below. That will not be an affiliate code. A lot of times just being a subscriber, you know, they want you to like recruit people to join in, which you should because it's awesome. I know a lot of celebrities have this box and they have codes. So, you know, if you don't want to use whatever code I can find to link down below, you can certainly use one of theirs. Doesn't matter. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. I have used this before, like I said. It wasn't my all-time favorite moisturizer. It's not bad, it's just, it wasn't my favorite, I'm not gonna lie. The product we have here is from Coors. This is the Guava Body Butter. Look at the packaging on this too, like, oh, it makes me just wanna go away. This is, I feel like no? Okay. 93.9% natural content in here. This retails for $24. Oh my god, this smells so amazing. Ooh. I will say this was part of the choice, so I actually chose this product instead of the KNC Natural All Collagen Infused Lip Mask. We actually got those in a Boxycharm. They were my fave, and I actually have one left. So I decided not to get those, but if you got those in your box, that is a retail of $24.99. So they're about the same price. From Ish Beauty, this is the Ish Lip Statement Palette. I want to say that Alexandria Garza helped collaborate and make this kit. I'm not sure, I'm pretty sure I saw that somewhere. Maybe it'll tell me in here. Her channel down below. Even if she did, but I'm pretty sure she did. So this is the Ish Lip Statement Palette. Here it is, nice and sleek packaging. On the back it says hashtag I'm smoking hot. So this retails for $42. You get a nice big mirror, huge mirror. You also get a lip brush down here, and then here are the actual colors in the kit. Very nice, very versatile, very wearable. I think it looks really, really pretty. This palette features 11 intensely pigmented shades and one balm that will give your lips a beautiful pop of color, enriched with rose extract, shea butter, jojoba oil, olive oil, and aloe vera. You can mix and match for endless color combinations. This retails, oh, I almost dropped it. This retails for $42. We have this. This was also something you could pick as far as the design that you wanted. There were 3 different designs. This is the design I chose just because it seemed like the most versatile. This is by Rachel Paley, like an orange one with flowers. There's like this really pretty, almost like baby pink and like seafoam kind of color with like leaves on it. And then there was this one. And like I said, this one just seemed the most versatile for me. So it looks like this. You open it up. You can have it like this. The nice thing is you can have it like this and you just want like a little pop of color, or you can flip it and turn it the other way if you want this side to be the more prominent color. Nice, oh wow, can't really see in here, darn. It is nice and big, but it also, if I can kind of do this, yeah I can. I'm gonna lift out the lining a little bit in here. So here, this is the lining that's actually inside, but you have this really nice little pocket as well, which I think is nice because a lot of ones like this don't have that and things can easily get lost down in there. So I will read a little bit about this product. This is the Reversible Clutch in Bloom, Zara, and Paradise. I'm pretty sure I got the Zara, or is this Bloom? I don't know. It says, say hello to the cutest clutch around from designer Rachel Paley. I'm really sorry if I'm saying this all wrong. These pattern picks are the perfect complement to any outfit, and the best part, they're reversible. Yep, 2 clutches in 1. Tip, use the pattern side to add a pop of color and use the reverse side to accent more elaborate outfits. So this is $60 and it's just so cute. I thought this would also be really cute to take to Hawaii with me, so I'm really excited for that. And it also has a little protective case, little like bag for it, which is really, really nice. From Maya Brenner. This is also something you could choose. You could choose between earrings by Etika They were Daydreamer tassel earrings. You could choose them in either black or a soft pink, and I almost got those, but I actually got this love bracelet instead because I thought it was just so cute and dainty. Isn't that just so cute? Pair this dainty piece with a statement watch, and the price of this is $65. I think I'm really excited about. So this is from Free People in collaboration with Understated Leather. Understated Leather, we've gotten from them before. They gave us like a little passport luggage tag. They are a company based in Texas, which we all know I love Texas because that's where my heart is. That's where I was born. It's really cute. You could have gotten a one of 3 options. I got this one. There was also a pink one and a white one. So you didn't get to choose which one you wanted of these. You just got one, which is fine. I don't care. So it says this vegan leather eye mask features a removable non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. The adjustable elastic strap offers the perfect fit every time, and a charming metallic patchwork keeps you dreaming amongst the stars. This does retail for $40. Ooh, oh yeah, this is gonna be nice. When it's like cold and stuff too. Oh yeah, this is good. Next, we have this. It's the #1 Manhattan Beach from Anderson & Lilly. It is a candle. This one is called Manhattan Beach, I'm sorry. It has bergamot, musk, white jasmine, Brazilian softwood, citrus, and heliotrope. Sunset collection. So there were 3 different ones you could choose from. I chose this one. There was also Fresh Linen or Super Bloom, and it comes in this super cute copper. Ooh, oh, it smells so good. I don't have any candles that smell like this, so I'm really excited. This retails for $45. And it's hand poured coconut wax. We have this. Ooh, that was kind of loud. Ooh, let's get the wormies off. We have this guy. It looks crazy, but it is a massage roller. You could get one of 4 different colors. There was a purple, looks like a red or an orange, a teal, and then this gray. This massage roller does wonders for sore, achy muscles, improves flexibility, break up scar tissue, and keep tender muscles at bay. Just 5 to 10 minutes with this tool will have your body feeling all the feels. This retails for $20. It says, tip, throw this in your carry-on bag when traveling to help relieve sore muscles on the go. Marmalade Cosmetics. We used to sell this at Ulta. This is a concealing ridge filler. Peptide infused concealer and treatment anti-aging ridge filler, and it's a really pretty pinky iridescent kind of color. I hope you can see that. Years ago, Wet n Wild made a color like this that was called Cotton Candy, and I just always think any color like this is cotton candy. Anyway, this is a really good brand. This retails for $18. Exfoliating body polish, crushed macadamia and rice milk. This is a sponsored product, so it doesn't really say anything about it. Oh, you know, so everything in this box for my specific box, based on what I got, some boxes may vary. The grand total price was $354, all for the grand total price of $49. So, my hand is itchy. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription service. I feel like I do need to say that. It's not something you get every month. You get it every 3 months based on the seasons, spring, summer, winter, and fall. Hello. But it's a great box. You get so much stuff that is going to help you for the upcoming season. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.